The first aquatic organism that we chose is narrow-barked Spanish mackerel. The local name for the fish is tenggiri batang. It is also known for its scientific name as Comborus commerson. The common fishing or catching mackerel fish is trolling. Trolling is a fishing technique in which a hook lure or bait is dragged through the water by a moving boat. From this video, we can see that hook lure is used for trolling the mackerel. The principle of using this technique is to trick the fish into thinking that the lure is a moving prey. Catching mackerel fish requires smooth drag reels and they often swim near to the surface during the run. The price of Spanish mackerel in Sabah Fish Market is Rm28 per kilogram. The ingredients of Hinava are 3 gram fresh raw mackerel, 6 limes, half seeded bitter gourd, 4 peeled shallots, 12 bird's eye chilies, and salt. Firstly, thinly slice the bitter gourd and the shallots. After that, slice all the other ingredients such as raw mackerel and chilies. Then, put it all together into the mixing bowl. Next, cut the limes into half and squeeze the juice out of the lime into the mixing bowl. Put half teaspoon of salt into the mixing bowl and mix it well. Once done, place the mixing bowl into the refrigerator for 20 minutes to let it marinate. After 20 minutes, the food is ready to serve.
This is orange spotted grouper. The local name is Kerapu Pinang. The scientific name is Epinephilus coides. The common catching to catch this fish is using fishing rod. One of the most popular recipe is ikan kerapu. These are the ingredients. Steam the grouper fish with salt and lemongrass. Next, boil water and add chicken stock. After that, add fish sauce and salt into the boiled water. After few minutes, add garlic, ginger and chili that has been chopped into the soup. After the fish is already done steam, put the soup onto the fish. Then put cilantro as the decoration for the recipe.
Squid are cephalopods in the superorders Decapodiformes with elongated body, large eyes, 8 arms and 2 tentacles. The specific names for squid is Loligo. It is a genus of squid and one of the most representative and widely distributed group of myopsid squid. Squid fishing is often a nocturnal activity as squid tend to feed at night and are attracted to light. Because of this, fishing after sunset is a good idea. Squid prefer warm water, which means you are more likely to catch a lot of them during spring, summer or early fall. At here, it costs 25 ringgit per kilogram. One of the popular dishes of squid is Tom Yum Sonton. Tom Yum is one of the most well-known Thai recipes. Soup is usually made with squid. It also cooked with seafood such as prawn or a combination of different seafood. This is the ingredient, which are broccoli, corn flour, galangal, lemongrass, torch ginger flower, leek, small corn, tomatoes, garlic, yellow onions, chilies and the squid. First, put the chilies, lemongrass, garlic, galangal in boiling water. Next, add the tom yum paste and add some spice. Then, add small corn, cauliflower, torched ginger flower, broccoli, leek, yellow onion, and tomato and bring it to boil. Lastly, add in the squid and boil it until the squid are cooked.
Jellyfish is known for its various of characteristic color, shape and many more. But for this project, the general name is the red jellyfish. In Sarawak, we call it obo-obo merah because the color of jellyfish is orange. Meanwhile, the scientific name is the lion mane jellyfish. The lion mane jellyfish is named after its mane of long hair like tentacle hanging for its belt. There are a lot of arguments about this type of fishing technique on jellyfish in Asia. But most of the people choose percent fishing technique because it has large wall of netting deployed around the entire area and it's easy to trap jellyfish under the bottom of the ocean. I have brought 800 grams of jellyfish with the price of Rm60 ringgit located at IMAT Fresh Market in Matangaya, Kuching, Sarawak.
Our next fish is the stingray, or what the local would call it as ikan pari. The scientific name for stingray is Milio batsoidae, and these stingray are commonly found in the shallow coastal waters of temperate seas. They spend the majority of their time inactive, partially buried in the sand and often moving only with the sway of the tide. In Malaysia, the price of the stingrays are more likely 8 ringgit per kilo, which is a whole fish, and 12 ringgit per kilo, which is butchered by the seller. The taste of the stingray meat is flaky yet dense and chewy. And in Malaysia, the stingray is either being caught by local fishermen but can also be obtained from the local stingray farmer. Let us look how stingray is being caught and cooked.